Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest trends and design ideas for your home. Today we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We will bring exploring stunning kitchen interior design ideas that will transform your space into a stylish and functional culinary heaven. So let's dive right in. Our first idea design is all about minimalistic elegance. By opting for sleek, handle-less cabinets and a monochromatic color scheme and simple clean lines, you can create a kitchen that exudes sophistication. Add a touch of warmth with wooden accents and choose statement lighting fixtures to make your kitchen truly stand out. Next up, we have open shelving and display areas. By removing some upper cabinets and replacing them with open shelves, you can create an airy and spacious feel in your kitchen. Showcase your beautiful dishware, plants, and cookbooks, turning them into a decorative element that adds personality and charm to your space. If you are someone who loves to make a statement, this next design idea is perfect for you. Embrace bold colors and pattern in your kitchen. Consider vibrant cabinet colors, geometric backsplash tiles, or even a colorful range hood. Remember to balance the boldness with neutral elements to avoid overwhelming the space. Are you a fan of rustic charm? Our next design is for you. Create a cozy farmhouse inspired kitchen by incorporating distressed wood elements, vintage accessories, and exposed brick walls. Combine this with modern appliances for a perfect blend of old world charm and contemporary convenience. If you prefer an edgier and more contemporary style, consider an industrial chic kitchen. Exposed brick walls, metal accents, and complete countertops are key elements of this design. Add industrial style pendant light and open metal shelving to complete the look. It's a perfect choice for those who want a trendy urban vibes in their kitchen. Let's move on the future of kitchen design. By incorporating smart technology, you can make your kitchen highly functional and efficient. Install touchless faucets, voice activating lighting system, and smart appliances that can be controlled remotely. With these features, you can streamline your cooking process and stay connected even when you are not in the kitchen. Bring the beauty of nature into your kitchen by using natural materials and greenery. Incorporate elements such as butcher block countertops, stone backsplashes, and natural fiber rope. Add potted plants and fresh herbs to create a refreshing and inviting atmosphere that will make you feel closer to nature while you cook. A kitchen island can be a game changer in terms of both functionally and style. Consider a multifunctional kitchen island with a built-in storage, a breakfast bar, or even a wine cooler. This versatile piece of furniture will not only provide additional workspace but also serve as a focal point in your kitchen. Don't forget about the flooring. Make a bold statement by choosing eye-catching flooring options. Pattern tile, geometric design, or even a colorful rug can elevate the entire look of your kitchen. Just ensure that the flooring complements the rest of your design element to create a harmonious and cohesive space. That concludes our journey through 75 stunning kitchen interior design ideas. Whether you prefer minimalistic, elegant, rustic charm, or bold colors, there's a style for every taste. Remember to incorporate functionality and personal touches to truly make your kitchen your own. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and that help you to create the kitchen of your dreams. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy designing. Before we wrap up, I had like to invite you to explore more inspiring videos on our channel. We have a treasure trove of architecture, wonders, interior design tips, and much more waiting for you. Be sure to check out our other videos by clicking on the playlist in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to fuel your creative aspirations. Dive into our channel and discover a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for being a part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.